All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to delete hidden layers. So let's go back into Photoshop here. I'm going to hit save, Control S to save. And so if I go to layer 3 and I turn it off, let's say that I hide the layer. Okay, now there's nothing showing, but if, let's say that there was something showing. So let me grab the marquee tool here and I'm going to fill this with black. That way we know that layer 3 has got something, right? But I want to hide this, okay? If I need to delete the hidden layers, there's a way to do that. So let's say that we want to delete layer 1 and layer 3, right? So you can go to the layer menu and go to delete, and you can delete the layer that's selected, or you can delete the hidden layers. Now watch what happens here. So this is going to delete layer 3 and layer 1. Okay, so that's a quick way to get rid of hidden layers. So let's say that you had a ton of layers. So I'm just going to use this as an example. Okay, so let's say that we had 30 layers. Okay, and I got 10 of them that are hidden, right? And then the rest of them I want to show. So if I go to layer and I do delete and hidden layers, it's going to clear that up. Okay, so it's going to make it easier to clean up your layers. Like let's say you get a project that's full of layers, you got 800 layers, let's say, and nothing's organized, it's all over the place. Let's hit Control S real quick. Then what you want to do is you want to go through and delete the layers. And what you're going to do is you're going to turn off the layers you don't need. And instead of going through and hitting delete on 800 layers, you'll just turn them off, and then you can, so for example, if you needed to turn all these layers off, you go like that. And if you hit Control, comma, that's going to hide and show the layers. So if I turn all these off, okay, so let's say that I turn off all these with Control, comma, and then I go up to layer and I do delete hidden layers. Now I just have 2 layers left. Okay, so that's how you delete hidden layers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next lecture.